Hello everyone and welcome to this Epidemic sound tutorial for beginners. For anyone looking to take their videos from amateur to professional, there's one secret ingredient, the audio. Today we're diving into the definitive Epidemic sound tutorial for beginners. This walkthrough is designed to get you up and running with the current version of the platform in record time. We'll be covering everything from the initial account setup and safe listing to the futuristic AI and the newly updated Adapt tool. We're also going to explore the desktop app and the specialized plugins for Premiere and DaVinci that allow you to edit without ever leaving your timeline. Whether you're a YouTuber or a corporate editor, this guide will ensure your content is high quality and legally bulletproof. Also, if you want to try Epidemic Sound yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to try it out for free. Now, the first thing you'll see when you land on your Epidemic dashboard is the gateway to over 55,000 tracks and 250,000 sound effects. But before you download a single beat, we have to handle the most important part, safe listing. In order to do this, you'll need to navigate to your account settings. You can find that on the left sidebar. At the bottom, you see your account details. Click on it, and then you'll see account. Click on account. Now, once you click on account, you see a page. Sometimes it could be blank as this, but you'll see some options right here. As long as you have a running subscription, or if you follow our link to be on the trial. Then, of course, you have safe lists, profile, preferences, and API keys. So once you select Save List, you can see Save List your channels. You can publish on one channel per platform. Save List channels on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook to avoid copyright claims. So you're free to publish anywhere else online, including TikTok and Twitch, as you can see them right here. Now basically, this is a set it and forget it system. Once your channel is added to the safe list, Epidemic Sound System communicates directly with platform's algorithms. This ensures that every time you upload, you are automatically recognized as a licensed user. Remember, the license is tied to your published date. Anything you post while your subscription is active is cleared forever, even if you eventually cancel your plan. Now, once you're safely set up, it's time to find your sound. Epidemic Sound has integrated a massive update to their AI-powered assistant. So instead of just going back to the Discover tab right here, where you'll be clicking through endless genres and mood folders, just click on the Assistant button or the Assistant icon at the sidebar. Now, this is a conversational tool. You can type in natural language like, I need a gritty, fast-paced funk track for a 30-second automotive transition. Now, the assistant doesn't just give you a list. It uses natural language processing to understand the nuance of your request. Now, there is a new feature. You can now select a frame from your video and provide it as a visual context to the assistant. Then it will analyze the colors, the movement, and the vibe of your footage to suggest tracks that are perfectly tailored to that specific scene. This eliminates hours of manual searching and scrolling. Now, finding the song is only half the battle. Often, a track is almost perfect, but the vocals are too loud for your voiceover. And this is where you use the stems feature. For example, if you come over to this sound right here and click on download, you see this pop up. Under full track, you have full track and segment. You could, of course, under full track, you can see stems, and then you have full mix. You can click on the drop down and select if you want to download the instruments, bass, or drums, or just the melody. Then, of course, you have all stems, which will be providing you with every single component of the sound that makes it sound the way it does. This level of control is essential for professional audio mixing. And of course, once you're done with selecting what stems you want, you can click on the file format and download in MP3 or WAV. Then, of course, you can go ahead and click on download. The platform this year has been taken a step further with the Adapt tool. You have the Adapt tool just below the assistant icon right here on the left sidebar. Once you click on it, you find this page. Now, directly in the web player, you can now use AI to reshape a track. If you have a 45-second intro, you can tell Adapt to shorten a 3-minute song to exactly 45 seconds while maintaining a natural sounding drop and outro. No more awkward fades or choppy cuts or outro. So of course you can come over here, see some tracks right here, and click on Adapt. You can click on search for track, and then once you select a particular track you like, you can click on Adapt. As you can see, these are the details to the adaptations right here, and it says right here, your adaptations will appear here. Adaptations are always applied to the original track. Now, of course, you can view the original, adapt length, and adapt music. Then, of course, you have your stem options right here where you can select and continue with your creative process. No more awkward fades or choppy cuts in your music editing software. Now, it is important for us to understand the pricing and see which one is best for you. If you're going for the creator, you'll be billed $8.99, and this is the gold standard for individuals. It covers one channel per platform and includes unlimited music and SFX downloads. Currently, this plan includes 250 credits per month. You also have one voice replica allowing you to generate AI narrations using high-fidelity voice profiles. Then of course you have the Pro plan at $29.99. This is for the freelancers. It covers 3 channels per platform and crucially includes a commercial license. This means that you can use the music for digital ads and client projects. It also ups the voice replica count to 3. And then you have the business plan at $50 per month. This is for brands and agencies with revenue under $10 million. It includes everything in Pro, plus coverage for influencer marketing and access for 2 team members. It's clear that Epidemic Sound isn't just a library, it's a workflow tool. Also, if you want to try Epidemic Sound yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description and try it out for free. Now, if you have a very specific sound in mind, perhaps a song you heard in another video, Epidemic Sound's ear, Epidemic Audio Reference, is your best friend. You can paste the YouTube link directly in the search bar, and the Epidemic Audio Reference technology or ear technology will analyze the audio profile and search the over 55,000 track catalog to find the closest matches. Additionally, if you select a particular genre, such as jazz, and you're hovering over a particular track, and you're liking the sound of the drum when it beats, but you want a different melody, you can look for the icon that says Find Similar. This is it right here. This uses AI to find alternative tracks with a similar vibe, but different instrumentation. This feature is now integrated directly into the Assistant Mini Player, allowing you to pivot your search without losing your momentum. Now, don't overlook the Sound Effects tab. Currently, Epidemic Sound features a library of over 250,000 effects. These are high-fidelity professional Foley sounds. Whether you need the whoosh of a camera transition, the ambient chatter of a cafe, or a complex mechanical sound for a tech review, it's all there. So here's a pro tip. You can use the search history feature in the Assistant to revisit prompts you use for sound effect, thus making it easy to keep a consistent sonic brand across multiple videos. Now let's talk about the app and the plugins. This is where you can save hours of production time. Epidemic Sound has released a universal desktop app for Microsoft, for Mac OS and Windows. This app sits alongside your video editor. You should download the official Epidemic Sound plugins. So if you come over here to the left sidebar, you can see apps, and then you can see Adobe Tools, DaVinci Resolve Studio, and you can see desktop apps. These allow you to access the entire library and the AI assistant inside of your editing interface. You can preview tracks in sync with your video and use the Adapt tool to reshape the music without ever switching windows. Now coming back to the main web dashboard, if you make any downloads here, you can come over to the downloads in order to view your download history. You can see your downloads, your liked artist, and the playlist. Now even with the best safe listing, occasionally a platform's automated bot might make a mistake. If you receive a Content ID claim, don't panic. Because Epidemic Sound is 100% IP owner, they have the power to release any claim instantly. Just navigate to the Help Center by going over to the bottom left corner, then using the Contact Support option. Then once you get to this page under contact support, you can click on submit a request. Then of course you could choose your issue and then proceed. So for example, when you click in this area, you can see my account, copyright and claims, and that might be your problem. So you can click on copyright and claims, write your email address, provide all these details, and your description. Make sure to provide all the details as you see fit. You can also see the option to insert an image, so you can simply put in all the things that will help them to help you out. Usually, simply mentioning that you have an active subscription is enough to clear the claim within 24 hours. Remember, a claim is not a strike. Your channel is safe. So, whether you're coming back to Epidemic Sound to sort this problem out, or you're doing it on YouTube just to address the problem, your channel will be safe. So if you want to try Epidemic Sound yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description and try it out for free. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.